if you are sitting all day long in flexion, getting low back pain, maybe you have sciatica, the longer you sit, the worse the sciatica gets. It starts off in the glute, now it's in the hamstring, now it's in the calf, right? There's a simple principle I want you to be aware of, which is the do the opposite principle. If you spend most of your day in one position, we need to do the other. So think about it. We're in flexion here. A simple movement break you can make is, let's say you're at work, stand up. Stand up from work, okay? Actually, I'll keep this spine here. Put your hands on your hips, behind your low back. Stand up, push your hips forward. We're getting the opposite, right? We went from a flexed position to an extended position. Maybe you stand up every hour and you do a couple of these, 5 of them, whatever. We're getting the opposite in there. For some of you, actually, this could be a little bit too much. This might be too much. It's a little bit of load on the low back. You might be too sensitive. Another version we can do is just get on the ground. This is a great one to incorporate the hips, okay? Put your hands on your heels, bridge up into an arched position. Now you're getting the glutes involved too. You're flexing your glutes, you're stretching your hip flexors as well as you do this, and once again, you're getting that extension through the low back. You're getting the opposite. Now let's say you're just not able to do this one, you've been at work all day long. When you get home, you're gonna watch some TV, lay on your belly. Don't sit on the couch to watch TV. That's just gonna be more flexion. So maybe instead we lay on our belly. Okay, lay on our belly and you prop up on your elbows and you watch TV in this position. You hang out, you play on your phone, you text your friends, you work on your computer in this position. We're getting the opposite. It's the exact same principle as, let's say I'm a worker and my arm is flexed all day long. If my arm is flexed for 8 hours straight, that's not gonna feel good. If it's extended for 8 hours straight, that's not going to feel good either. The same thing goes for the low back. We want frequent movement breaks, okay? So if you're getting too much flexion throughout the day and it's making your disc, your sciatica, your low back worse, work in the opposite in these ways to help your disc, help your low back, help the nerve get into a better position so that you can finally find ways to fix yourself so you don't need to rely on rest or medications or what the doctors might be telling you. I'm here to teach you how to fix yourself, okay? Please like the video, subscribe, share it with a friend who needs to learn how to do the opposite.